Welcome to this final session of the Math Functional Skills Level 1 practice. I'm at the last section, which is about average using the mean, mode or range. So let's get started. This question is about a road survey. So I'm going to press on next to get the ball rolling. Question 1. You spent 1 hour walking and counting the problems on roads and paths. You recorded your results on this survey sheet. Complete the survey sheet with the total seen for each problem. So all we have to do, we have to add all of these. So let's add now. That's 5, 10, 10 and 3, 13, 13 and 5 is 18, 18 and 5 is 23, 23 and 3 is 26, 26 and 2 is 28. So that would go here, 28. 5 and 1 is 6, 6 and 3 is 9, 9 and 3 is 12. That goes there. 3 and 1 is 4. 5, so let's count up all the 5. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35 and 5, 40, 40 and 2 is 42. And this is plus 4 and 4, that's 8. So those are my answers. Now I'm going to my next question, question 2. Right, so we need to put our answers. Your friends also did the survey. They counted the number of problems in different parts of the town. This table shows their totals. So now we need to enter in our results here. Our results are what we just did a while ago. So our tally. So potholes, roadworks. So for potholes it was 26, roadworks 12. So potholes 28, roadworks 12. So potholes 28, roadworks were 12. Damage signs, I forgot already. Let me have a look. Damaged signs were, that's 4. Litter was 42, and dog fouling was 8. 4, 42, 8. So it's 4, 42, and 8. I hope at this point you understand what I'm doing. Right. So our next thing is work out the mean number of litter problems that you and your friends found, and then we need to work out the mean number of roadwork problems that you and your friends found. Now, one thing I should also let you know about this test, please pay very careful attention to the words in bold. When you see these words in bold, it means that they want you to be specific. Okay? So let's move on. Now, to find the mean of litter problems, it would be all of this. So we need to add all of the counted problems divided by the number of people who did the survey. So let's do that now. So this is for the litter problems. I'm going to say litter, that is 27 plus 15 plus 18 plus 12 plus 29 plus 17 plus 6 plus 42. That is equal to, let me just get down the equal sign, is equal to 166. Now we need to divide this by the number of people who did the survey, and we have here 8 people. 8 people here doing the survey, so it's 166 divided by 8. So our mean for the litter problems is 20. Well, to the nearest whole number, it would be 20, 21 maybe, yeah. So I'll just put here the mean. I'll just put it as is, 20.75. Then the mean for the roadworks would be 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 12, and that gives us a total of 32. 32 divided by 8 is 4, and that goes in there. So those would be our answers for the mean, for the litter and the roadworks. Right, so now I'm moving on. Right, now we have to draw a chart. So last year the National Survey reported that in the town where you live, the mean number of litter problems was 28 per survey. The mean number of roadwork problems was 2 per survey. Draw a chart to compare the mean number of problems per survey this year and last year for litter and roadworks. So please again pay very careful attention to the words in bold. So this survey was for last year, and I'm going to question 2, and this survey is for this year. Okay, so now we need to use our mean scores for last year and this year. So these would be our mean scores for this year. So that's 20.75 and 4. So let's go back to our question now. So we're going to use our in most cases the best chart to use would be a bar chart. So when you're doing your test, it's always a good idea to use a bar chart. So I'm going to use my bar chart. So this is what it looks like, just a blank graph sheet. Now, so we need to have four bars, because we're comparing four things. So let's start. So I'm going to draw or make 4 bars. So please pay careful attention here. So I'm pressing on my arrow 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and if you look down here, those are my 4 bars. Okay, then I'm going to go to, I'm going to say edit axis, edit, and then I'm going to choose show numbers, and then I'm going to have my number of divisions as, let's make it 10. Now the main thing about this, you always need to know what is your max value. So we know that our mean for litter this year was 20.75, which is well 21. So we know that the highest value that we'll get on our graph will be 28. So I can probably say my max value, as in my maximum value, my highest value would be 30, like that. 30. And I'll just change my division to 1. So let's see how much it goes up by. That's let's see, 5, 10, 15, no, 5, 10, 15, 20. So where can I find 1? Let's have a look. Let's see. So it seems that's last. So that's 10. Right, so that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Yes, it's 20. Okay, let's use 2 divisions. Have a look at something here. Let's try. Yeah, at times you may have to do some experimenting also this. Right, so I think I'm happy with that. So let's keep it that way. So we need to find out where is 28. So if that's 15, let's find out where is 20. So no, I think I chose the wrong charts, or the wrong labeling. Let's have a look. So it's 15. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so now I can draw my graphs. So I know that 30 is up top. So I know that my results from my last survey for litter was 28. So 28 could be probably, let me just change, could be up, be right there. Let me just change my axis again, change this as well. It's probably change it to 1, yeah, and it goes there. So 28 would probably be right here. So it would be probably right there. And I know that and I know that this here was 20. So 20 probably could be 20 would be right up there. Yeah. Do some more like that. And then so here I'm going to make one long tool. So I'm pressing on my text tool here, and then I'm going to go down on my page, so I'm going down on my page here, and I'm going to have one long thing here, this one, just to make things a bit easy for all of us. And I'm just going to label it. So I'm going to have here last year litter. This one I'll say this year yeah, this year litter. That one I'll say I have last year road works. So for I'll just say last year road. This one is this year road. So I'll just expand this a bit like this. Again, what I'm doing here, I'm just simply giving you an idea of how to do your exam. And the views expressed here are not totally essential. I mean, you can have your own ideas, but the main thing is, if you use your own ideas or mine, you will still pass your exam. So right, so that is what I will do. I know that last year's result for my road works was 2. So last year, so only it's 2. So let's put it right up there, 2. And I know that my results. What was my results again? Okay, I'll go back very shortly to check. So now I can press on my bar, color, and color all my road works in blue. Sorry, all my litter problems in blue, and I can color my roadworks in orange. So that is my comparison. Yeah. And I can even have my heading up here saying comparison of problems. That's just what's missing my own words. Like that. And I can just highlight all this and press bold, underline this. You can even italize as well, or change the size, but I'll leave the size as is. Try to get there like that. And I just want to go back and check my mean score. My mean score was for the roadworks was 4, so I can go back there, change that to 4, so I can go up here. So this one was, so this is 2, so that is 2. It means 4 would be right up there. There we are. So this gives you an idea. Yes, so this gives you an idea of how to do your charts. Yeah, so this is for last year and this year's litter. This one was the score for last year, which is shown up top, and this chart, this one here, was our results, our mean results, which was 20.75. Well, and if we should round off our number, so it should be 21. So that is our number for the litter, 21, and this number for last year's roadworks is indicated here, and this is our mean score for roadworks is here, which was 4. So this is how you would do your charts, and you can even make it a bit fancy by pressing the 3D, like so, like that, and that's it. That's your chart. So we're going on to question 4 now. Compare the information for last year and this year, and complete the sentences below. The surveys for last year and this year show that this year the litter problem is, now last year our problem was 28 as the mean. This year our problem was 21, so it seems as if it is improving. So the litter problem is getting better, because the number has decreased. And for the roadworks, last year was 2, and this year it's 4. So it means that the problem is getting worse, because there is an increase. So I'm going to next. I hope you understand what I've been doing so far. Right, so now we'll do the same thing we did in section A and B. We must check our answer, or check any one of our answers. In this case, I'm going to check question 4. I'm going to say that last year the mean score was 28 in litter. This year it is 21. That was our results. So 7 plus 21 here is equal to 28. So 7 plus 21 is so there is an improvement. Last year the mean score was 2 for roadworks. This year it is 4. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So it is getting worse. So there also just 2 plus 2. I mean, here all I'm doing, I'm just trying to check my answers, alright? So after that, your math test is finished. Your math test is due for 1 hour and 30 minutes. But well, if you finish before the time expires, please remember to check your answers, read the questions very carefully, and if you do these things, you will be just fine. I hope this session was helpful, and all the best in your exams. Thank you very much. My name is Edward Vaughan. I'm from the CAD Center. Goodbye for now.